you've worked on normal software, you're used to one thing, predictability. You have one input and you have a single output every single time. But the moment you step into AI, that expectation breaks instantly. It's like building a feature that behaves slightly different every single time a user interacts with it. That's not because it's broken, but because it's probabilistic by design. And that shift is the first big thing you need to understand as an AI PM. Traditional software is deterministic. You give it an input, you follow a set of rules, and you always get the same output. It's predictable, debuggable, and stable. AI systems are not like that. AI systems are probabilistic, which means the model chooses its output based on probabilities, not fixed rules. There isn't one correct answer. There are many possible answers. And that's why the same prompt can produce two different, perfectly valid summaries, or two answers that feel totally off. This variability isn't a bug. It's the whole point of LLMs: the creativity, the interpretation, and the flexibility. But that same variability is also what makes AI so hard to manage. This difference completely changes your job as a PM. Traditional PMs manage features, specs, scope, bugs, and timelines. AI PMs manage systems, data, prompts, models, user behavior, and the feedback loops that keep everything stable. You don't fix a bug, you improve behavior. And you don't control the model, you steer it. And your definition of success shifts too. It's not perfection, it's reliability, getting consistent expected behavior across the long tail of real users. In the next videos, we'll dig deeper into what the AI PM role actually looks like and why reliability becomes your North Star. And once you really understand how unpredictable AI can be, you'll see exactly why we need a process to measure it and improve it over time. Let's get into that.